Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome once again to Forex Success. Yeah, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can trade crash and boom successfully. Yeah, so right now, guys, make sure if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop a new video. Yeah, guys, so if you don't know where to trade crash and boom and all volatility indices, guys, click on the link below to open a trading account. So guys, as you can see on this trade, this is crash 1000 index, which I just sold. I sold crash 1000 index. Why? Because I can see the red moving average crossing above the green line at the overbought level, which indicates a sell using our crash and boom powerful strategy. So guys, I came down to 5-minute time frame and I can see a resistance level at the top, which will eventually push the market down, which is the resistance will eventually resist the market to give us a spike. So guys, let's watch this trade because we're going to get a spike here, guys. As far the 1-minute time frame has given us a reason to sell, and from the 5-minute time frame we can spot a resistance level there, guys. The market is gonna spike. So I added more positions to it. Yeah, adding more position, which is a sell. So I'm waiting for a spike. You just need to place the trade and wait for it. Guys, you can only find synthetic indices on Deriv. So click on the link below to open an account on Deriv and start trading synthetic indices. It's 24/7. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna wait for it to spike so I can make some money for myself. Good, we got a spike. You can see we got a spike. Yeah, this is crash 1000 using the strategy. We got a spike, and you can see this, guys, using the strategy, super easy and simple. We got the spike that we were waiting for. But I'm not gonna close this trade right now. I'm gonna wait because it's still gonna spike. It's still gonna spike considering the black bar was formed at the low level, considering that the black bar was formed, and also considering the fact that the 5-minute time frame indicates that it's still going to come down, guys. Yeah, you can see the 5-minute time frame. I think it's still gonna come down using the knowledge of price action. So I'm expecting the market to move down probably to this level. Yeah, to move to this level before I will take profit. So that will be my TP level, guys. So I'll just wait for the market to do the work. All you need right now is just relax, grab some coffee, and enjoy. That is it. Simple strategy, guys. You use it to trade and make money. Just catch spike. Just catch spike. These are the indicators you need. The first indicator, yeah, which is the commodity channel index. The period is 14. As you can see on my screen, you can take a screenshot so you can set yours. Apply to typical price. The levels -100 and 100. The star, use green. Yeah, so -100 and +100. You can see the way I set the levels. Then the star, you use green, make it 2 pixel, guys, as you can see on my screen. Then you save, you click done. So this is the indicator. So the next indicator, the moving average, which is period. You set it to period 10. Shift 0 method, simple. Apply to close. Then the level 0, the star, red. Set it on 4 pixel. Click done. So the last indicator, market facilitation index, the volume tick, the levels, ignore. You ignore it, guys. You ignore the levels. Then the MFI up for volume up, green. MFI down for volume down, black. MFI up for volume down, black. MFI down for volume up, green, as you can see on my screen. This is just it, guys. You can take a screenshot so you set yours well. Remember, the volume is tick, so you're done. That's how you can set the indicators, and your indicators will look exactly like mine on my screen right now. So guys, like I said, I'm gonna wait for this market to sell down to this support level. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it. It's just patience, guys. So for you guys, since you get your spike at first, you can move your stop loss to your entry. Yeah, you can move your stop loss to the entry while you wait for more spike. Since the higher time frame is giving you possibilities for more spike. And since the indicators indicated the market facilitation index gave us a black bar which indicates more spike, like I told you guys on our previous video. You can check our previous videos, guys, on crash and boom volatility index, step index, volatility 10 index strategy, guys. They are super powerful. The link is at the description below. Click on them and watch them, guys. Make sure you share these videos to your friends so they will also benefit from this, guys. As you can see, this is Forex Success, and we are actually putting our effort to give you the best strategies, guys, to make money trading synthetic indices. Yeah, so drop good comments, share the videos to your friends, subscribe to the channel, and give us a thumbs up just to push us, encourage us, guys, to keep on doing this good work. And make sure you open an account using our link. Yeah, with our link. Yes, guys, that's it. So, and also, guys, for the and also, guys, for if you want to trade currency pairs like gold and EUR USD, GBP USD, metals like gold and other commodities like US 30, guys, you can open an account with Octa AFS or ABS. The link is at the description below, so click on the link right here now and open an account so you can start trading too, guys. There's money trading Forex. All you need is the right knowledge, just the right knowledge, guys, and you are good to go. So you click on the link right now and open an account for yourself and start making money. So, guys, I always advise you guys, just try and learn some bit of price action, and I recommend for you baby peeps to learn price action, guys. Price action, you just get the knowledge and add it to the strategy, you'll be super. Then the sky will be your limit. So, guys, this is our trade, which is still ongoing. So all we just want now, we are patiently waiting for it. This is crash 500, trying to look for a setup for this. This is 1 minute time frame. As you can see, there is no good setup now to enter the trade. Yeah, because none of the condition is met right now. Exactly, guys. So, guys, you know how to use this strategy. I believe you will understand how to use the strategy to make money for yourself. Yeah, this crash 500 index. If there was a setup right now for the strategy, I would take some positions. But since there is no setup, we'll just wait. Is it a wait or we check on? Yeah, so that's it, guys. You can trade and make money with this strategy. So, guys, this is our trade that we still holding. You can see crash 1000 index gave us another spike. You can see I told you I'm gonna wait for the strategy for the trade to come down to this point. Yeah, we're getting our spike and taking profit at this point. You can see, guys, at that point, that's where we're taking our profit. From the 15-minute time frame, we're taking our profit at this time point. You can see there's a support level pushing the market back to the upside. So that's where we're taking profit. You can see we're on profit. This is it, guys. It's a super easy strategy for everybody, guys. Nobody's above it. You can use it. Anybody, just understand it and start using it. That's it. That's so simple, guys. Thanks for watching once again. We remain Forex Success and we'll give you the best strategy. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Share this video, guys.